Hello everyone, my name is Andrew Nguyen from Saratech. Today I'm going to show you how to make a JT file and use Teamcenter visualization. So jumping right into it, I have Teamcenter open. Once I'm in Teamcenter, I'm going to go ahead and open an NX file, which I have already done. Once I'm in NX, I'm going to go ahead and do File, Save, Save Options, and I'm going to check Save JT Data. Hit OK, and from here I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And what it's doing is it's creating a JT file that is associated with the UG master file. So just give it a few moments. And now my JT file has been created. I'm going to go ahead and go back into Teamcenter. And as you can see, there's a JT file that's been created right here. And to use Teamcenter visualization, I can go ahead and click on the JT Previewer tab. And as you can see, it loaded my JT file. It's pretty fast, a lot faster than opening a UG master in NX. And so if I hit the Viewer tab, it's gonna go ahead and open this JT file for me. So give it a moment. And with the Viewer tab, I can do rotations, modifications, and measurements. So it's a lot more streamlined. Allows me to do everything I would do for NX part files, but in JT format and inside of Teamcenter. So it saves me a lot of time from having to open these files. And I could do measurements. There's a multitude of toolbars I could use. I could do markups, measurements, section views. And so that's how you make a JT file in NX and open it in Teamcenter visualization.